Hey, buddy, you want to go for a swim?
A swim? That sounds delightful.
Let's go to the pool.
We'll jump in on 3.
1, 2,
3.
Ah! That didn't work out at all.
We're too dense.
It's time to save the Gummy Bears!
Using toothpicks
Cranberries
and the science of density to
build our own boats.
Science will save you, Gummy Bears!
If we cut the cranberry in half, we can see that it's got its own little built-in air pockets inside. And those air pockets make the cranberry less dense than the water. It's like it's got its own built-in little inner tube inside of the berry. So cool.
It's a lovely day for a float.
I'm basking in the sun. It's so much fun.
Oh no!
Rainstorm!